Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Venkatesh Flying Club. How are you friends? I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to share something very powerful with you. That is how to speak English like a leader. Leadership is not just about position or power. It is about influence, confidence and clarity. And the way you speak English plays a big role in how people see you as a leader. If you want to sound confident, respected, and inspiring, stay with me till the end of this video. And this video divided into 6 parts. I will explain about this topic step by step. So, without wasting of any time, let's get into the video. Part 1 is the power of tone. Leaders don't just speak, they command attention with their tone. Speak clearly, don't rush. Use pauses to make your words stronger. And emphasize keywords instead of speaking in a flat way. For example, if I say, we need to work hard, it sounds normal. But if I say, we need to work hard with energy and pause, it sounds more powerful. Remember, your tone is as important as your words. Part 2 is simple and strong vocabulary. Leaders don't use complicated words, they use simple, strong, and positive vocabulary. Here are some leader like words and phrases you can use. Instead of saying I think, say I believe. Instead of saying maybe, say certainly or let's try this. Instead of saying problem, say challenge or opportunity. These small changes makes your English more confident and inspiring. Third part is body language matters. Speaking like a leader is not only about your words. Your body language also speaks. Stand or sit straight, keep eye contact and use hand gestures. Smile when needed but stay serious when delivering important points. For example, if you are giving instructions, don't look down or fidget. Look directly and use hand to point or guide. And speak with calm authority. Remember, people believe your body language more than your words. Fourth part is clarity and structure. Leaders speak with clarity. They don't confuse people with long and messy sentences. Here is a simple 3-step structure you can follow whenever you speak. First one is start with main idea, and second one is give 2 to 3 supporting points, and third one is end with a strong conclusion. For example, friends, our main goal is to improve teamwork. To do this, we must communicate clearly, respect our deadlines, and supporting each other. If we do these three things, success is guaranteed, simple, clear, and powerful. Fact number 5 is use stories and examples. Great leaders inspire through stories. Instead of giving boring instructions, tell a short story. For example, instead of saying hard work is important, you can say, I know a farmer who worked day and night in his fields. When harvest time came, his hard work gave him double the yield. That is the power of hard work. Stories makes your message stick in people's mind. And fact number 6 is Practice leadership English daily. Speaking like a leader is not magic, it's practice. Every day, speaking in front of a mirror and record your voice and listen, check your tone and clarity. Read speeches of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, or Nelson Mandela. Use powerful words in your daily conversations. Remember, leadership English is a habit. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. So, friends, to speak English like a leader, remember these points. Use confident tone, choose simple but powerful words, show strong body language, and speak with clarity and structure. Add stories to inspire people, and most importantly, practice daily. If you follow these steps regularly, people will not only listen to your English, they will respect and follow you as a leader. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more English learning content. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.